What's good? I'm back with another video to share with you guys this unboxing of these nails that I got in the mailbox. I have so not been able to go to the nail salon during this quarantine time. So I purchased some nails to try on to see how much I like them. And I wanted to wait till I did this video to share with you all what they look like and are they any good. I ordered these online from a place called The Nailist. The Nailist. And I thought that, I'd share with you guys exactly what's going on with this stuff. And, I just want you guys to remember, if you want to see more videos, just remember to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so you can get notified when the next video comes out. And if you're subscribed and you make comments, I can answer your comments right away because I'll see them when you make them when the video first comes out. That's the most easiest. And also, I'm sorry, but it's been a while since I've made a video. It's been a lot going on with quarantine. We got bored during quarantine and we made renovations in the house. We removed the carpet. We did all kinds of stuff. So without further ado, I guess I'll show you these now. Okay, so here we go with this package. I've had it for a while and stuff since it came. So I wanted to share my reaction with you guys. The opening of this box of nails. Please be what you said you are. Dun, 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 dun. So here we have the nails. Some other stuff in here. And then we have a card. And what else is in here? Glue, nail files. I don't know what that is. Okay, so here we go. Let you guys see them first before I do. These are cute, please. I forgot what I ordered. They're shimmery, I guess. They look a little different. I will share with you guys when I put them on, and you guys will see. So thank you guys for staying tuned, and come back and see us next time. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.